What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in life. It is almost 9:30. Market opens in 1 minute. We back. I'm just gonna get all set up here and get ready for the trading day. Market did open though. I don't want to make this intro too long, but let's just get right into the charts. All right, so we did end up marking on my highs and lows. We got these two highs that got taken out at market open. So we're going to be looking for sells today. We do have bullish market structure, so we're going to be looking for temporary sales today. I think we are at all-time highs at NQ, so we are going to look for temporary shorts today up to this 1 hour liquidity level. I'm pretty bearish today, but we're going to see what the market do. We are moving really heavily down right now. We're just going to wait for the 5-minute retrace. We ended up getting that 5-minute retrace here. Just gotta wait for any confirmations down to the downside. So just see what happens. We'll take our time. We're not gonna rush things. All right, so it's looking like it's doing the same thing as yesterday, taking out areas of liquidity without giving me an entry at all. Hopefully we can get an entry. If it takes out this liquidity, hopefully we can get just an entry up here to target this 1 hour liquidity. This is a 1 minute liquidity, so we'll see what happens. But I want to target this liquidity area, but I just want moves it back up in here or even back up to here. But we just got to get the move first. We did get the break of structure, and now we're just waiting for the fair value gap to tap into, and it's going to be entering this trade. So let's just wait for it. Let's just see what happens. Just be patient. All right, so we are in a trade. We did end up tapping this fair value gap, filling it, and now we got moves out of it, and we didn't get another break of structure on the 1 minute time frame. We did get another 5-minute retrace into this fair value gap here, and we ended up respecting that one. So yeah, so now we're in this trade. We're going to target this 1 hour liquidity already got taken out, but we're going to target this other 1 hour liquidity. But once it hits this 1 hour liquidity, we're going to put a stop loss to break even, because we don't want to lose a trade that we didn't need to lose. So we're just going to see what happens. It is a 1 to 2. I did put stops above this fair value gap because we already filled the fair value gap, and I don't want to put it above the high because I don't want to lose any unnecessary money. It is moving though. It has a lot of volatility right now. The market really does have a lot of volatility. The only reason I got back into this trade though, even though we closed above that fair value gap, is because we did get another break of structure. So I did end up, I did end up moving stop loss to this high. It makes more sense not to put it to this fair value gap because I already got validated. So I did put my stop loss on this high. All right, so it was a quick trade. We got stopped out. Once again, I'm okay with it. Low key, should have waited until maybe this fair value gap get tapped into, because this one got disrespected already. But I probably shouldn't have even took a trade, because we already took out 1 hour liquidity, and I knew once we hit the 1 hour liquidity, we want to head back up. It was forming bullish market structure, but I really wanted this, so I kind of rushed it. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll just keep looking at price and see what. I just want to see what happens after I get stopped out. You know, maybe it goes back down to profit, maybe it goes down, maybe it just keeps going, continuing up, but I just want to see what happens. All right, so we ended up taking an L on NQ today. That's all right. I did end up seeing how price reacted after, and I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. So of course, like always, you know what I'm saying, we always get stopped out first. I got stopped out around what was it? I think it was here. I got stopped out at this area. No, I'm lying. I got stopped out here. We hit these two little fair value gaps. We respected them. This on the 5 minute. That's why it looks weird. My bad. So yeah, I got stopped out here. Then we retraced up to these fair value gaps and then hit TP. But then we overall went crazy high, and then we're tanking again. So today it was literally a consolidation range between 9:30 to maybe 11 before it started trending up, but now we're just dumping, so I'm okay with that. But now we just got to get our day started. We can't let that loss bring us down. We can't go back to the past. So it is what it is, and let's just move on with our day.
Alright, so I ended up getting some burrito, some chips. But after this, I am gonna head back to the house. I don't know if the quality is different right now, but I did leave my camera at home, so I'm recording from my phone, so I'm sorry if the quality is bad. But after this, yeah, once I'm done eating, I'm gonna head back to the house, start editing, and then head to the gym. So I am back in my house. I'm gonna start editing this video now because I don't want to do that shit later. It's only 4 o'clock right now, so I have all the time in the world to edit, to make content, and to make the thumbnail for this video. Alright guys, so I'm done with the gym. I gotta go freshen up after I'm done making this outro. But I want to thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers, man. I've been doing this for a month or 2 months now. 800 subscribers in 2 months is crazy. I appreciate you guys so much. The Lord is blessing me, and the Lord has this path for me, which I know I'm meant to be doing this. But I'm glad you guys enjoy the videos. I'm glad you guys watch me. I'm glad you guys support me. I'm glad you guys are in this journey with me. But listen, I don't wanna come on here and just talk about all that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a kind of a short one. Again, I am gonna try to make my videos longer, but there's just I don't go anywhere, so I just need to start going some places and keep going places and show you guys the lifestyle of a day trader. So I appreciate you guys so much. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.